Very warm and pleasant good morning to everyone. My name is Deepak Sharma. I am the master trainer in this orientation program which is being conducted at Bhaurao Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir by Vidya Bharati. Well, today it's an amazing day and we are going to have a wonderful debate. It's going to be challenger versus defender. Sandeep ji is the challenger and Negi ji is the defender. And the topic they are going to discuss that's very important, that's very interesting as well. And the topic is arranged marriages are better or love marriages? Sandeep ji, what your team is going to do?
So my team is going to support love marriage.
So the team Sandeep is going to support love marriage and team Negi ji is going to support arranged marriage. Please sit. I would request Yadav ji to break the ice. Yadav ji, start.
In love marriage, the both partner are to meet often, and they know to each other, they understand to each other, and then they get married. The life is going on smoothly.
But in the present time, as seen in the society, couples live in many times together. They know to each other 6 years, 7 years also. But after marriage, they just divorce after 1 year, 6 months.
Arranged
What's
marriage,
happened?
in arranged marriage,
And-
there is no divorce.
But maximum time in the love marriage, they quarrel to each other after some times. But they do not.
It happens only when there is no convenience together. There is no when we are unable to convince to each other. It happens only in arranged marriage also. It happens not only in love marriage.
But in the society, as we saw,
But there is low percentage in arranged marriages and a high
Actually,
percentage
If
increasing
our
day by
love
day.
is true, if our
How
love
can
is
you-
pure,
No.
then divorce is not a matter.
Now
We love, you know,
Now
love is
these days,
love is the divine.
we are seeing a lot of cases going to the court, lot of cases in love marriage.
When
In aspect of arranged
when
marriage.
we do a love marriage, it
Yes.
means that we know each other clearly or frankly each other to each other also.
Yes.
So and we know already that what the character the girl has also.
Yes.
This is the matter. But we don't know when we arrange marriage, we don't know how the character the girl will be. It is the matter also.
Many cases are going in the
Yes.
courts
Yes.
of the arranged marriages.
Arranged.
If there is an arranged marriage and parents of girls are unable to give the dowry,
I am
and
saying
is the
in
the
love
more of
marriage,
contention between
divorce cases are
between
4
two
and
parties.
2.
Let me speak.
But in arranged marriage,
And-
we see the divorce cases are very less according to court data.
but when the parents choose a right girl for his son, parents also mature, they decide properly. But in the adult, also excited, they choose, they do not think in this, on their time.
How can they decide properly? They don't know to each other.
Because they are more mature than our child.
Yeah.
So love marriage is also mature. When
And-
But
when
our
the-
parents
when
will
the girls and boys are mature,
our
they-
parents will live our
they-
partner or we will live with our partner. So
But I am talking-
this is
but I am
our
talking about-
choice
but I am
to
talking
love
about
because
the divorce.
we know each other clearly or frankly to each other also. So this is the why love marriage is more important.
But we have to
No,
check
but
on
we-
moral values.
Mostly cases
Not
are
only
there. When
you have
dowry-
the right to choose my life partner. ठीक है, something else in your family, mother, father, and elder others, then we have not right to choose.
I have to
If I
marry.
am okay,
I have
then
to marry.
everything is okay.
I have to marry, and my life is spent with my partner. So other person who
means-
will be take the
It
decision in
means
my
your
life.
parents have no value for you.
They are values. If
But
I
how?
respect my parents, then we
If-
have, I have right to tell him that I am falling in love and I want to marry someone.
Falling
who-
in love. Okay.
I am married to someone who loves me very much.
As you-
then you do not favor me.
No.
Why?
As you
You think about only yourself.
If-
You think only about yourself and about your life and life partner also. But in social values, we have to think our parents
You are
desire.
saying, so you are saying about social values. So what will you say about them when the partner of our the parents of our partner is also or agree there? So what will you say about that? My parents also will agree for our marriage. So what will you say there?
But
In
you
the
are
marriage-
saying
In the marriage,
We are not also forcing them.
in the marriage, both
we told
the
them
boy
about
and
that.
girl
So-
have the chance to understand each other. And in the arranged marriage, there is no chance.
But in this case, your main parents is no wrong to his child marry, the son choose in his own way.
Exactly
They have
what
the
I
right.
am saying. You please understand
Parents
that
have the
the
right.
parents of both sides are agree. So what is the problem there over there?
In mostly
But
cases,
some-
parents
but
are
some
agreeing to be
girls parent no ready.
love marriage.
What is the case? What
we
happened
are
then?
saying only the divorce cases happening in love marriage also.
The mostly cases
According
are
to
happening
Dada, High
in
Court
arranged
and
marriage
Civil Court also.
when the demand of the daughters, the boys' parents are not fulfilled. Then in this case, mostly cases are divorced in the court.
I have many students, they do love marriage, but at present time, they are divorced to each other. In Noida also, Noida.
Actually, it happens only arranged marriage.
I can
So
tell you the name also.
I told you before because you know one thing. When we love each other, when we date each other, it means we know each other. We know each other already. What we are. Okay, what our family background is. So there is no question arousing after marriage.
If
So
if the boys and girls are getting in love marriage, so they have no complaint to each other. Then they are the responsible for this, and parents are not responsible. So
Matlab-
they can.
Which is more beneficial for society, according to me, arranged marriage is more suitable, more beneficial than the love marriage.
But sometimes, as I saw, the boys want to love some girls. The girls' parents are not